Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change or upgrade your PHP version on Hostinger. So first of all, you want to go to your websites, and here you want to click manage, whichever website you want to manage. When you click manage, you're going to scroll down until you see advanced right here at the bottom. You're going to click on that, and here, as you can see, there's a lot of options. Like you can see your PHP information, but basically you're going to click on PHP configuration here, and basically just read it. It will take 1 to 2 minutes to complete it. And now, as you can see, you can choose a PHP version you would like to enable for your websites, and basically you're just gonna choose a different one and update your PHP version like that. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.